Okay, today we're going to remove an old Lennox Whisper Heat, about a 30-year-old furnace. Going to be installing the American Standard 80,000 BTU single stage gas furnace, 80% efficient. Right now we're going through the change out process. Simple procedure today. Job like this takes probably about 5 to 6 hours. All our jobs are guaranteed in one day. 773-842-4299, or you can visit us on the web at www.ccc-hvac.com. That's www.ccc-hvac.com. Your American Standard authorized ComEd distributor. Soft solder is only for water pipe. Soldering cannot withstand the high and the extreme pressures of the air conditioning system, especially a modern R410 air conditioning system, which works under extreme pressures well over 400 psi.
Hey, my name is Betty. I had a great experience today. I had Chatham Comfort Control come to install a new heating unit today. They actually came in on time. Very professional group of men. There were 2 men who came in to install the unit. They, again, very professional, very courteous, very polite, worked in a very professional manner, spoke well. Also gave me full details throughout the day of what they were working on, showed me parts and labors. They cleaned up my residence once they were finished with the unit. They also installed a air conditioner as well as the heating unit. Brand new. I would highly recommend the company again. That's Chatham Comfort Control Heating Company. Most professional. I can't say anything bad about the company. I would recommend them, highly recommend them for their service. And again, I thank them so much for their work that they did in my home today. Okay? Thank you.